Check out this drone. It's got pretty lights, super bright light in the front, battery in the bottom, it's got prop guards, and it costs less than $20, and it comes with a controller. Pretty cool. You want to see my review? Well, hang on. And now a quick overview of the actual controller. So on this side here, you actually have your speed control, slow, fast. On this side, that's your button for flips, if you want to flip the drone. Over here, you have your joysticks. This one here will make you take off and fly up in the air, and also spin around in circles. And this one here will take you forward, backwards, left and right. Click in this button, and you're in headless mode. Click in this button, and the drone will return to home. And here we have the drone itself. I've put on the prop guards because I'm flying it indoor. I've stuck the battery inside. It just slides in, and I just have to connect it, and we're all set to go. And then to connect the drone, just power it on. Drone goes a little crazy. Move your joystick up and down. And remember to move your fingers out of the way. Move this joystick up and we're flying. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly it away from me. There we go. Fly it down to the other camera. There's a camera at the end of the hallway. Then I'll bring it back to me. It has no height hold, so in other words, to keep it at a certain height in the air, I'm doing that with my left thumb. So here I've got the controller. You see I'm using my left joystick here to keep it at a certain height. So that's one of the things that happens when you pay only $20 for a drone. It's basic, it's no camera, no height hold, no obstacle sensors, no GPS. It's your basic drone. It does everything you need it to do to fly around. If I wanted to fly it down a hallway or anything like that, it's so easy. If you're moving forward, it's so easy to fly this thing. Like this thing can go wherever you wish it to go. It can go left, right, left, right. And it does have the flip option, the flippy thing, like all these drones come with, and you have the button for that. It says, make sure it's 3 meters high and there's lots of power in the battery. So I'll put it up here. I don't know, I haven't tried the flip, so here we go. You and I we'll all see this together. There's a flip. Now one thing I really like with these drones, with the little, they're so light and they have prop guards, is if you smash into anything, here we go, bang into the picture. See, I just bounced off the picture, and that's the way it's designed. It's designed that if you hit something, it just bounces off. For $20, it's pretty decent. All right, a quick unboxing of the R10, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts on this here drone. The good people at Banggood sent me this here R10 mini drone. It almost looks like it says Rio, but it is an R10. And it is pretty much a very inexpensive drone that is an awful lot of fun to fly. So let's do a super quick unboxing. In the package, you get the mini drone. The arms are non-foldable. The battery is a 3.7 volt, one cell, 300 milliamp LiPo battery. It'll give you about 6 to 7 minutes of flight time. And a USB charger for the battery. Also included are the prop guards for indoor flight. And included with this inexpensive drone is an actual remote controller with buttons that you can click down. Power button that powers on. You have buttons in the front. And of course, will require 2 AA batteries. And finally included in the package, the instructions, spare props, and I believe I saw, yes, right here, a screwdriver. The battery fits in the drone like this. Just slide it in. You can see there's a little bit of extra room, so you actually could put a larger battery in there if you want and get longer flight time. And you just connect your battery in the rear. There we go. Lots of power. Let's just weigh this now while we have it in hand. 27 grams, extremely light. All right, I'll keep this short. It's a good drone for under 20 bucks. Just remember, you have no height hold. You do have an awful lot of other features like the return to home, the headless mode, the flips, and it has about a range of, I think, about maybe 50 meters with the controller, so it's pretty decent. And the best part on this drone is the battery, because these batteries you can buy at any hobby store. So you could get a larger one if you want, and you could tape it to the bottom, or you just stick it inside, and you'll get an awful lot more flight time. So you could fly it for an awfully long time. Really good thing. All right, so that brings me to the end of this review. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more drone reviews on tiny little toy ones like this, all the way up to the big $1,000 professional ones, hit that subscribe button and you'll see more in the coming days. For now, take care, and I'm going to fly this little baby off my hand. Here we go.